Earnings season is winding down this week, but there's still a couple hundred companies and a lot of the big name retailers are still to report. I looked through all their charts so that you don't have to pick out the ones that have the best earnings track record. Now, some of them may surprise you, and not all the charts are those that are the hottest charts. Some of them are basically cold, going the other way. But these are the companies that have the best earnings records. They've beat almost every quarter. That's not easy to do. And yeah, some of the retailers are still got those hot charts too. So let's jump right into it. The first one is the juggernaut of the week. It's Home Depot. This is just a beautiful chart. As you can see, no misses in 5 years. Shares are at all-time highs. Are they priced for perfection? I don't know. We're going to find out. But this quarter is their big earnings quarter. This is like their holiday season because spring, the gardening season, is their big time. So I'm expecting some good numbers again from them here. We're soon to find out. Our second company, TJX Companies. These guys are obviously TJ Maxx, but they also own Marshalls and Home Goods. And Home Goods has been performing really well because people are, updating their houses, they're buying new homes. These are the kinds of places they're shopping. Shares have kind of stalled out a little bit here. People are getting jittery about the retailers, but this segment, the lower cost apparel and home goods side, has been strong. So I'm going to be watching this one to see any trends. Then we got L Brands. Now this was a superstar on the street until the end of 2015. And then as you can see, the shares have sold off here. They haven't missed, so that's not the problem. But people are worried. A lot of their stores are in the mall. Same-store sales have declined a little bit. They're worried about the pink line, which was really popular with the millennials and the Generation Zs, but maybe is slowing down a little bit. It's unclear. But L Brands with Victoria's Secret and Bed Bath & Body Works is still one of the top retail names. So if you want to tune in to see what's going on, this is one to watch. And then we're going to have another one in the off-price area, Ross Stores. This one's also been just chugging right along. Just the two misses there. And then shares look like they kind of topped out to start the year and then have weakened a little bit. But if you like TJ Maxx and TJX Companies, you're going to like Ross Stores too. They don't have the home goods side, but they do sell home goods in a lot of their stores. They just don't have a standalone store for it. I like this, and as I said, I like the TJX, so I'll be watching both of these. And then we're going to finish up with one that's been really hot. You might not have been paying attention. Children's Place. This ticker is PLCE, not to mix up with Pricelines, which I did earlier. So make sure you get the ticker right, PLCE, but it has the good chart too. No misses. They are mall-based, selling children's clothing and accessories. But earnings are supposed to grow double digits, so they don't have an earnings problem, and investors are liking what they see. So this is also one if you want to tune in for what's going on at the mall. There's a couple other retailers that also have some nice charts. Some of them haven't missed or only missed once or twice in 5 years, but shares are kind of going the opposite way, similar to where L Brands is going. Anything on the apparel side is going to be real tough this week, but you got to tune in to see when those are going to hit the bottom. If we're going to see any kind of consumer interest in buying clothing again. But I'll be tuning in all week long for all these charts. And of course, you can check out the options trades over on Zach's Live Trader on YouTube. Dave will be covering those this week over there. And there's some real hot names going, again, both on the retail side and also on the tech side. So he's going to have some of those over on Zach's Live Trader on YouTube. Be sure to tune in.